guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I finally got a Boxycharm subscription box. Now if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's basically a makeup subscription box. You pay about like $21, $22 a month and you get a box with 4 to 5 full-size makeup products in it, usually ranging from like Ofra to ColourPop to a bunch of other different makeup brands that they are affiliated with. And I wanted to try it out because I do buy a lot of makeup, but I don't really go out of my comfort zone a lot, so I thought that I would get Boxycharm because I know that they will send you products that maybe aren't necessarily in your realm of comfortability. So let's jump right on into this video and I can show you what I got inside this month's box. So the box comes like this. I'll scoot over here. The box comes like this with Boxycharm on it, and you open it up and it's got the card on the inside that we'll be reading, and then they have this little like foam protection piece over it, and then inside are all of the products. So I'm gonna go through the card. This month, the theme is called Life of the Party, and it's got a picture right here and it's got Laura Lee on it because one of her palettes did make it into the box this month. And then on the inside it just shows you which products you got, a little bit of info about them, and then the prices of them, so that way you know how much the total of the box cost. These are a pair of House of Lashes. I'll get a little bit closer, sorry about the glare. I don't really know if I'm in love with the style of them. They're not really particularly the style that I would go for. I like more lashes that flare out on the end and give you kind of like that cat eye effect. But these are the House of Lashes in the style Boudoir Mini. This is what they look like. They're super full in the center and they kind of like taper off on the ends, and not as full. Length and dimension to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes that are cruelty-free, high quality, and long lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. 15 wears, that's a lot of wears for a pair of eyelashes. It says that they range from $9 to $12, but I'm gonna look up specifically how much that pair costs, and I'll put it in the description box down below next to all the products that I mentioned in the video. Okay, and the next thing that catches my eye in the box is this right here on top. This is what it looks like. This is the Adsense, I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it, the Adsense New York Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This says organic infused age-defying nail treatment essentials. This is what it looks like in the box. Now on the card it says, treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that often softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. It says that this product costs $18. Now, I am allergic to nuts, but I'm not allergic to almonds, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to use this or not because of like cross-contamination or anything like that. This is what it looks like. I don't really do a whole lot to my nails, so I don't really need cuticle oil. Like, I can use it, not saying that I can't, it's just I don't do a whole lot to my nails. So let me smell it. It doesn't really have a scent to it, at least that I can tell right now. I know the other cuticle oil that you can get in the box as well, I've heard a lot of people say that it smells really nice, so I'm kind of sad that I didn't get that one because I think it's supposed to smell like lollipops, and I would have rather gotten that than this one just because I'm afraid to put this on and have an allergic reaction. But moving forward, the next item that catches my attention is this little thing right here. This is the Bang Beauty. I don't know what it is. It just says Bang Beauty on it. So we're gonna open it up and then we're gonna read the card. This is what it looks like. Bang Beauty Chocolate Gel Eyeliner. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Now I don't really use gel liners at all. I had once upon a point, but it was the e.l.f. ones. I don't know if it was just not good quality enough or what the issue was. Let me find it. Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. This is what I'm reading off the card. Use it as an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Now it says this product costs $22. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it actually to see what it looks like. I don't know if I can personally use this for my brows just because my brows are like really dark, but I mean, who's to say we can't try? It does look really pretty though. Like it looks like it would give like a super soft, subtle liner look if you were to use it as an eyeliner, either just to tightline with or to like wing it out or something. I really am enjoying brown eyeliners lately, so I'm excited about this. And obviously the whole star of the entire box is probably this palette by Laura Lee, so I'm going to take that out next. And this is her palette in Party Animal. She did come out with two, Party Animal and Boss Babe, I'm pretty sure. This one is the more colorful palette, and then Boss Babe is the more neutral tone palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's so cool. It's like very hipstery to me. I'm gonna open it up. It feels really nice too. I do follow Laura Lee on YouTube, so it's nice to be able to try one of her products from her makeup line. I probably would have liked something more neutral because that's just the type of girl I am, but I mean, a pop of color doesn't hurt here and there. So this is what the palette looks like on the inside. They're very bright neon colors. Here, let me hold it better for you guys. You have your yellow, orange, blues, purple, pink, and then you have a nice mirror right here, which is really nice. I guess I should just swatch these for you guys. Okay, so the first one is called It's a Party, and it's like this neon green yellow color. I think because they're so bright, they may just be slightly chalky. Oh, no, nope, nope, nope. Look at that, look at how bright that is. That is a really cool color. Okay, the next one is this one. It's blue shade. It's called Damage Control, and it's this very like bright neon blue color. I do not have shades like these in my collection, so I'm really excited. The next one is in Karaoke, and it's this nice like almost like a royal blue shade. That one looks super pigmented. That is a really nice swatch. That is an awesome swatch for that blue shade. And these are all mattes, by the way. Not in the palette, but just the ones that I've swatched so far, they're all mattes. Okay, the next one is this neon orange, and it's called Dranks. I do use a lot of oranges, so I may get more use out of this one than maybe some of the others. That was also a matte shade. This one is called Bottoms Up, and it is like reflective. It does have like shimmer sparkle in it. So we'll see how that looks. Ooh, that's so pretty. You can't see it on camera, but the sparkles are so pretty. You can kind of see it, but not to the extent that you should be able to in person. I just hope that there wasn't just the glitter on the top layer, because sometimes companies will do that. That was called Bottoms Up, if I didn't say it. And then this last one is this dark purpley blue. It's called Hungover. And this one is also like a shimmer shade. So cool. I want to use that one. Oh my god, look at these colors, guys. They're so pretty. And on the card it says Lauralee Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette. Dare to be the life of the party with the Lauralee Los Angeles Party Animal Palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. And this palette does cost $19. Here are the swatches once again. Very bright, neon, colorful colors. Definitely will get you out of your comfort zone if that's not what you like using. The next thing in the box I'm going to take out is this Smashbox product. And on the card it says Smashbox Assorted Lip Products. Create bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip products. This pigmented, loaded color glides on in just one swipe, getting you out of the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary. So this one is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, and it's in the shade Gotta Light. Now I know that they have put a lot of different kinds in the boxes. Like they've put metallic lips, they've put regular like lip bullet tubes, they've done liquid lipsticks, and I'm really excited that I got the liquid lipstick because I don't like metallic lips. I don't have anything metallic in my collection. The only lipstick bullet I have is the new ColourPop one that I got, and it's like the best formula ever. So I would be kind of scared to try out the Smashbox one because if I didn't like it, then I probably wouldn't use it that often, and I use liquid lipsticks the most. And this is in the shade Gotta Light, like I said, and it's this really nice nude color, and I love me like nudes, like a nudie brown. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch it. Should I swatch it on my hand? I'm gonna swatch it on my hand actually. I'm gonna swatch it right here. I'm shook. It's this really nice, like muted chocolate brown color. Almost like the pomade, but lighter. I love this. This is a nude that I was searching for in my collection. I needed a lighter brown nude to put on the center of my lip and then put a darker one around the ring of my lip. So I'm really excited about this product right here. And it says that it ranges anywhere from $21 to $24, so I'll have to specifically look up how much the liquid lipstick costs, and then I'll put it in the description box down below, like I said before. And the last product in the box are these right here, and there's multiples of them, not just one. There are 3 of them right here, and I'll read you the description. This is by Wander. It's called the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And these are $13. I think this is the only thing that I am going to try on camera because I knew this was coming in the mail today, and I didn't put any like under eye cream on this morning when I put like my moisturizer on. So I am going to try this out. They're really, look at the light reflecting off of it. They're really hydrating. Like there's a lot of stuff on this. It's super wet and like not sticky per se, but definitely wet. And I'm going to take the other one off. They smell really good. Leave these on and I'll come back and tell you how the under eyes feel. Okay, so that's all patted in. My under eyes look really nice. They feel super nice too. Like they feel more hydrated. They feel more plump, I should say. Obviously, like it's not gonna just take away my dark circles or like my bags under my eyes or anything, but they feel really nice. So I'll update you if you guys want to know how me using the other 2 went. But that is the last overall value of this box is $108 for 6 products, which is a really good deal because obviously, like I said in the beginning, you're only paying about like $20 or so. So I highly recommend subscribing to this makeup subscription box. I think it's super worth it just for my first box, and just hearing what other people have to say on YouTube about their boxes. I'm excited for future boxes to see what I get. But in conclusion, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope that you stay tuned for my next Boxycharm unboxing video, and we'll do a little try on haul basically. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!